All right, we're in Panama City, Panama, home of the Panama Canal. Got downtown in the back. We're in the Armadero district. If I said that wrong, I'm sorry. Don't correct me. Anyways, we're down here. We're checking out. We're trying to basically establish a call center. We came down here looking for Panamanians who want to work in the United States. The workforce in the United States for entry-level callers is dead. You can't hire anybody. Everybody wants to work at Chuck E. Cheese, Kentucky Fried Chicken, or Quick Trip. And so we're down here looking to find some people to work for our call center in Panama. So if that's you, DM me, comment, whatever. We know your city code is 507. Get a hold of us right now. And if you're looking to get started in real estate, take amazing trips just like this, all you gotta do is schedule a call with me and my team, and we'll get the ball rolling, and you can take amazing trips to tropical locations. We got here, we left Kansas City at 3:30, got here by noon on a Sunday. I don't even know what day it is anyways, but
Cinco de Mayo.
Hey, it's Cinco de Mayo. This is why we're down here, okay? It's freaking Cinco de Mayo, and no better place to celebrate Cinco de Mayo than Panama City, Panama. Pretty crazy, man. I was just looking at it from the internet, then you're looking at it from the ground.
It's crazy how, like, I wouldn't have never thought it's that built up of a city.
But it's very, like, familiar. It doesn't look like, looks like you got a bunch of empty buildings, right? Is what you really, it seems like there's a lot of buildings, but not a lot of people. Are the buildings full?
See, for this, in ghetto, no, construction, no much.
Ghetto is full? This, no full.
No much. It's expensive.
And there's two parts of the city. Okay, what's the difference? This is the Nueve or Abuelo, or?
This is city.
This is the city right here.
Yes. Y allá es Costa del Este, next area. It's outside the city.
Okay, so city right here.
This location is similar to Miami. Next, next time go for.
Oh, there you go. There's a couple good sized fish. Yeah, clear water, huh? Holy shit, look at that school of fish, dude. Holy shit. That is a school of fish if I've ever seen one. For relaxing, what do you like?
For relaxing.
Tu casa.
Mi casa, yeah. For party, Casco.
Casco. Por chicas. He got a big old smile on his face. Your face go like this. Like this.
Before, right now,
No tiempo.
Yeah, I feel old.
Yeah. 37? 37?
I'm not tired.
You want to slow despacio.
Exactly.
Yeah. You're not 27. No más 27.
Yes, no más 27.
Yeah.
I drink 4 or 5 beers next day. Fuck. Yeah. No, mierda. Beer and 25, 20 next. Oh, vamos. Next party.
No. Maybe next month.
Next month.
We're randomly in Panama on election day, and it looks like Molino is winning by 34.8%. Who did you vote for?
For me, my favorite is Romana.
Your friend, you like this guy right here?
Romana is good. Romana is good. Molina is good too.
Who? Antes? Who?
No, I know.
Adios.
Adios.
Gabi, 7.24. 7. These guys are all caring about their election, who wins. It's like a day off here. Who are you voting for, Trump or Biden, or would we be better off with Molino? Molino. So these are all different parties too, I think. Look at, if you gotta go. No, I'm okay. 25 cents. This is where we were just at. We were down there before, right? It's like a melting pot down here. Like literally, are you melting?
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
Panama.
Panama, you born here?
Yeah.
That's cool. There's a lot of Chinese people here too though, huh?
Yeah.
Do you guys speak Cantonese or Mandarin?
Both.
And Spanish?
Yes.
And English?
Yes.
That's good. And you were born in Panama?
Yes.
Oh wow. How many, what do you think, how many people that, like what do you think the percentage of Chinese people in Panama are?
A lot.
Like 20%, 10%?
At least 30%.
I notice a lot of people, that's why I'm saying, oh, okay. You like it here? Good? All right, nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. She said like 20, 30% of the people who live in Panama are Chinese. Those people sounded like they were born in China, but they were born in Panama.
You see the Chinese? No, it's from people from Panama.
Yeah, that's what they say. Panama.
Yes.
Say they born here.
This is slave for
Children, yeah. This looks like a family spot right here, this whole thing. Para la familias. That's old as hell. This is in Costco, 200,000, 200,000, 200,000 for a house. That's not bad, right?
For a 1 or 2 bedroom condo.
This is a good area, you said, no?
It's new, no?
Yeah, Nueva. It looks like that, yeah. It does look like that right there, doesn't it? Yeah, that's it right there.
It's good for you?
I think it's a good, I don't know what the prices are here, but if it was, 200,000 is cheap for US. And this is US dollars, and so.
I don't know. I know, but I mean, see the apartment.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to see low tide over there?
Oh yeah, let's go take a look at that. That's cool. Good
I
eye.
know, but I mean, what for here?
Is better over there?
Yes.
Let's go there. Oh. Low tide. Oh, so that's just the tide. It comes all the way up here? Wow. Probably a lot of crabs out there, Danny. It's like a mix between Mexico out here, Costa Rica. It's like a mix.
I don't know Costa Rica, but Mexico, yeah.
Oh, lights just came on. La luz.
You know, vaccine injection no for COVID?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
I never, no.
No.
Yo no.
In Panama,
You have to.
Obligatory.
Obligatory. For vaccine shot.
For fly or working everywhere.
So you take
You
one?
need, I had to,
How did it make you feel?
yeah.
No, good? Bueno or no bueno?
I don't feel nothing. I don't remember I had COVID or not COVID. I don't know. For me, it's gripe. Oh, sí. Yeah, normal.
Yeah.
I don't know. What is different? I don't know.
Yeah.
For me, it's normal gripe or COVID. For me,
Yeah.
it's,
Yeah. Bill Gates, you know?
I don't know. I know.
Microsoft, you know Microsoft? Conoce Microsoft?
Yeah.
Bill Gates owned Microsoft?
Yeah.
They say he created the pandemic.
No.
See?
Really?
And make money off the
Make money off the vaccine. Dinero para vaccine. ¿Cuántas personas tú conoces muerte para COVID?
One people.
Solo una persona.
Me.
That
I know one people.
one person.
But there was people going in the hospital and dying, and then they were like, oh, they died of COVID.
Yeah, even with a motorcycle accident.
Yeah.
If one, I know one people. I don't know if it's COVID or
Stress.
it's exactly
Or
it's
worry.
not, he dead for COVID. Really? It's for
Heart attack.
See,
See heart attack.
the attack is for COVID. Stupid. No. No, I know.
He had a motorcycle crash.
See,
COVID.
COVID. Exactly.
You got your Raptor here.
Yeah, there you go.
like 4, no?
I have one. Tango.
You don't have.
Tango. You know what Ford means?
No good in Panama.
Fix. Yeah, no good in US.
No.
No good in US no more. It says fix or repair daily.
See.
Or
Found on road dead.
Here is favorite car is Toyota, Kia.
You know what this stands for?
Kia.
Killed in action.
Actually,
You know? Killed, muerte.
see?
You know? Da-da-da-da-da. Fiat. You know what Fiat is? You know Fiat? Have you heard of Fiat?
It's old.
Yeah, fix it again, Tony.
Suzuki.
I don't know that one. What kind of gun? Is that an M4?
M4.
Ah, sí, no. USA, Marine. ¿Te gusta Marine?
You got fully auto? Full auto? Automatico?
Yes.
See?
What do you do here? Are you here to protect what?
President Palace.
Ah, the President Palace aquí? Ah, hi.
Martinelli.
Mucho gusto. That's cool.
What's that?
Say. To Marine, 6A.
What?
Dame yo. No sé. Navy SEAL.
Oh, Navy SEAL. Are you a Navy SEAL?
Oh, no.
No, Navy SEAL.
Delta Force.
Delta Force.
Marine normal. Marine.
Yeah. Infantry. Finito. Nah. Now I'll get gordo.
So you knew what that was? That's the same gun you got?
Yeah. That was the same issue, like same rifle I had issued in the Marine Corps.
That's cool.
M4A1.
Presidente.
La gente viene y
¿Qué pasa?
todo bien.
gutted, abandoned, vacant building.
Yeah. I mean, what are you gonna build there anyways? It's so small.
Apartamente.
Sí, apartament. We're already speaking Spanish. Apartamente.
Apartamente.
Sí, claro. Qué bueno.
La casa.
Looks like they keep a clean house.
Yeah.
Yeah, this totally reminds me of New Orleans.
Reminds me of Colombia too.
Oh, you've been to, oh, that's right. To, what was it called?
In Cartagena.
Carta.
Boca Grande.
Boca Grande.
Large mouth.
It's my daughter's name.
Is that Hermana? Or is that sister?
Hermana is sister. Hermano is brother. Niño is girl.
Niña.
Is girl. And same with
Niño is boy.
Niño is boy, Niña is girl.
What's son and daughter?
That's, I think it's Niño and Niña, right? Son and daughter, right?
Son and daughter, yeah.
You could say L or A for her or him, you know?
Yeah.
Top of the top. That's the one he pointed out. He said that's the top restaurant in all of Panama.
Hi, welcome to Chelsea Food. Wholesale beer, ice and gelato.
What's that?
Welcome to Chelsea Food. Adelante, bienvenidos. Beer, Chelsea Food. Welcome to Panama.
Welcome, bienvenidos.
Tony. Menu?
No, we're okay. We're just still hungry, full from lunch. You know? Thank you.